trying to straighten aluminum. This piece here is aluminum. We're trying to pull it out. It's probably going to break, but we'll give it a shot. It's getting a little dangerous. Maybe smack it now a little bit. Okay, it's very well tensioned. Oh yeah, nice. It did go. Okay. Smack. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little bit down too. Nice. Release and check. Okay. Now we continue with pulling. So it's about 5 millimeters still off. Once we released the tension, it kind of sprung back and it's now still 5 millimeter off. So we're gonna do one more pull, one more bang, and it should be enough. Okay, I think it's enough of tension. Oh yeah, it went. Releasing. So we're gonna screw this member back together and then pull it together. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh, the crack is completely together. Nice. We can also weld it later. Yeah, that should be good. Releasing. Okay, we gotta do more. More. So we're gonna tension it more than before. I think I'm pulling my sprinter. Looks like. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is limit. This is limit now. The sprinter is coming. Yeah, it's going. It's going. Looks like. Let me try. Oh, I heard something crack just after I hit. So maybe this is enough. Let's give it a shot. Let's release and see. Okay. So now we're gonna see if the fender fits. We're gonna put the fender on and see if it aligns with the hood and everything else. It seems like we have straightened it out, even though they say aluminum cannot be straightened out. So it seems like the fender aligned with the hood well. Let's check the other side. Yeah, let's close it. Yeah, I think this fender, the tip is a little bit bent. Actually in the bottom, once you secure it, it's gonna, oh, excellent. So we have repaired some aluminum body component that is non-repairable. Beautiful. We can also weld a little bit later on. And that'll be it. Very expensive part, very expensive job. Turned out to be pretty cheap.